Welcome to Missleidy, the plant lady. Today we're talking about well-draining soil, right? Who needs it? Your plants need it, baby. All right, so a lot of you be murdering your plants because you be overwatering and you be having these plants sitting in this super absorbent soil that's just wet, and you be watering every day and those poor motherfuckers is drowning. So what we gonna do isn't necessarily what you wanna do, but it's what you need to do, okay? So I'm gonna show y'all what I use for my plants so that it's well draining, aerated, and for these roots so that they don't drown, okay? So first and foremost, let's talk about our product. We're gonna be making a mixture composed of 4 parts. First, I like getting a little bit of this orchid bark mix. It has these big, chunky pieces of orchid goodness that's gonna, allow some aeration. This particular brand is Miracle Grow. This isn't sponsored, but if they want to, what's good? Next, we got the Espoma all-purpose organic potting mix. This is great. And this is what most of y'all are just putting in your plants. Let me tell you, this is a great mix, but we need to give it some more aeration. Next, perlite from Mr. Hoofman. We have a past. Don't ask about it. These are little rocks, little porous rocks. Can y'all see that? Those are gonna help aerate, and that's about it. And then here is the piece de resistance. It's the natural fertilizer by the name of worm castings, or better known as worm shit. All the nutrients it needs, all the meals it needs, and she's gonna be well fed year round with a good dose of this. Now, so let's start. So I'm gonna get my trusty bucket. We're gonna put her up here. And a lot of people use measuring cups, measurements, all that. I'm gonna just do it like this. I'm a very visual person, just like a lot of y'all. So I'm gonna do about that much, because that seems about right. It's a good enough amount. I already had some perlite in there because, I'll be mixing stuff. And I'm gonna add a little bit more perlite. And I like to be a little heavy on the perlite, just like heavy on the salt when I'm cooking. And that's about good. And then I'm gonna add about this much orchid bark. I hope you're taking notes. And that's about great. And last but not least, we're going to take a little bit of this worm castings. Let me open it because it is very expensive. She only do the best for her plants, mama. And we're gonna do about that much. You don't need that much. Well, you know what? She gonna eat good this winter, huh? She eating good. And that's what it's gonna look like without me mixing it. So a lady like me, I got my nails. I'm gonna get down and dirty with it, and I'm just gonna start to mix. And there you have it. A well-draining, porous mix. Look at this. Look at this. It's just beautiful. It's just gorgeous. It's just nice. And it smells like shit, but it's nice though. So use that for your plants. And if you have any questions, feel free to DM me and subscribe and follow. Bye-bye.